In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to be a Shopify partner. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find the Shopify Partners page, sign up, and start setting up your account so you can work with Shopify in a more professional and structured way. To begin, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you like using. In the address bar at the top of the window, type in google.com and press enter. We're starting from Google because it's usually the quickest and most reliable way to find the official Shopify Partners page, especially if you're not sure of the exact URL. Once Google has loaded, move to the search bar in the middle of the page and type Shopify Partners. Make sure you spell it correctly, as this will help bring up the official results at the top. Then press enter or click the search icon to run the search. On the results page, you should now see several links related to Shopify and partnerships. Look for the first result that clearly mentions Shopify Partners and is from the official Shopify domain. This is usually labeled something like Shopify Partners Build and Grow Your Business or similar. Click on that first link. It's important to choose the official site so that you're signing up in the right place and keeping your information secure. After the Shopify Partners page opens, take a moment to glance over what it offers. You'll usually see information about building apps, creating themes, or managing stores for clients. When you're ready to proceed, look for a button that says Sign Up or Join Now. This is typically near the top of the page. Click that button to start the registration process. You'll now be taken to a sign-up form. Here, you'll need to enter your basic information. This usually includes details like your email address, a secure password, and some information about yourself or your business. Fill everything out carefully and make sure your email is one you check regularly, as Shopify may send you important confirmations and notifications. As you continue, you'll be guided through setting up your partner account. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete your profile. If you are not yet working with a specific partner or client, look for an option like Find a Partner. This can help connect you with experts or collaborators within the Shopify ecosystem if that's something you need. Once all your information is entered and confirmed, your Shopify partner account setup is underway, and you're ready to start exploring all the tools and opportunities available